If you run regular sales calls or client calls and still rely on your memory to update tasks and your CRM, then this video is for you. Because after a meeting, a founder usually do three things. The first one is extracting tasks from the discussions and then updating the important details and conversation details in a CRM and then making sure that nothing important is missed. So, doing things manually this way wastes a lot of hours every week. Besides this, when things done manually, most of the tasks get delayed, skipped, or half done. So, in this video, I'll showcase you two AI agents that handle everything this in the background. So, as soon as you finish your call, all of this execution begins automatically. So, now let's get into this. Firstly, we'll start with the first AI agent. The first one is AI agent that create tasks from your meetings. Now I used Zapier to create these AI agents, and I would get into that AI agent right now. So you can ignore all of this stuff because I would be showcasing you the function, not the setup. And the thing is that this AI agent exists, so tasks don't live in your head and you don't update things manually from the calls and then into your tasks. Now, this agent starts functioning as soon as a new transcript is added into the Fathom say, call recording software. Okay, so but for now, I don't have a fresh meeting at the moment to run this demo. So what I'll do is now I will be showcasing you the functioning of this AI agent through a live test. So before we begin a test, here is my setup. So this is a task tracker based on my meetings. So the AI agents keeps adding tasks for me here based on my calls. Okay, so now the next thing is based on the live test of the agent, it will be adding new tasks here. Okay, so now for testing this AI agent and showcasing you the functioning, I would click on this agent review and then I would click on this test agent. Okay, so now this agent has started functioning. It will be extracting the details from a very recent call transcript. Okay, so let it do its job. So yes, the another thing is that it's asking for approvals to make the updates only in the testing process. When it's live, it does everything automatically and you just see the things getting done. It has already finished the tasks here. You can see it has done that. Okay, task extraction is complete. So now let's see into the tasks tracker. If we see the new tasks added there. Nice. So earlier there were only three tasks. Okay, so you can see now it has added three more tasks here. The main task, schedule the mapping call, send invoice and project details, and it has included the subtasks and who is the assignee. I am the one. Okay, so it adds the assignee whether it's me or the client or somebody else according to the call discussions, and then it adds the new due date only if any date is specified into the call. So yeah, this is how it works. So my AI agent is live now. Whenever I finish my call, and after that, whenever I have to check my tasks based on that call, so I just come here and see and boom, then I see the new task is added here. So this is how it just removes a lot of back and forth and manual things that we have to do from the calls, then remembering the tasks and doing things manually. So it removes a lot of stuff and so that you can directly finish the call and just see what needs to be done after the call. Okay, so this is all about the first AI agent. Now let's get into the second AI agent. So this what the second one updates your CRM automatically based on your calls with your leads. So right now what happens is that you are having multiple discussions with different leads. Okay, so now you want to stay on the top of the information that what are the objections of that person, what's the criteria they need, what kind of solutions they need, and deal size, the scope, the next steps. You want to stay on top of everything instead of updating these things on notes and then just trying to remember the stuff. This agent solves that problem. So let me show you one example here. I'm getting into my CRM. I've already opened that. So this is my CRM here. And the thing is that what that AI agent does, it extracts the name of the client from your call and then it finds the exact name match into the CRM. Okay. So as whenever it finds the same match, it gets into the nested page and then it operates all of the deal summary. Okay. For example, the deal size, the intent level, any objections, what they need, and the next actions. So all of these things are done by the AI agent. I have done nothing here. I just get to see this. So now I will showcase you that how it's going to do the same right now. So let's get into this AI agent first. You can see the trigger for this AI agent is the same, the new transcript. So whenever a new call or transcript is added into Fathom based on your lead call, it would extract the details, find the right client name, match the client name from transcript to CRM, and then update the details over there. Okay. So similarly, I'm going to do the test. I'm going to do the live test right now. Yes. So my very recent call of in Fathom is with Arshdeep Kaur. That was my dummy call actually. So yes, it will be extracting for that person. So it will be extracting information from that same call and it will be operating the things in the same place in the CRM where I've just shown you right now. So just let this agent do its job. And yeah, the thing is that I am showcasing you the AI agent in test so you can see the functioning. But these two agents have done more than what I expected. Like I just now finish the calls and see the things. Okay, what are the major details? What are the objections? What I can do next? What I can do better? What the next actions to take? So now my only focus is on execution. Like instead of just finding things, extracting details, all of these things have been removed from my setup. So you can see it is doing its job. It is extracting all of the details and now it will be updating the same stuff in the CRM by finding the right name. Searching for a client named Ashdeep Kaur. You can see it has already added add content to page. It has already added this content into the page while following its entire processes. And now let's get into the CRM to see if it has done its job. So now we have the client Ashdeep Kaur, and next we have the this is a pre old one that I showcased you earlier, and now you can see it has added more details here. Interesting deal size, intent, any objections? No, actually, it mentioned what the client appreciated instead of objections. Key needs and priorities. So it has listed everything a client needs. And then it has added the required to dos and it has added the additional notes as well. Wow. Oh, just so you can see how it does a wonderful work. So now your CRM will stay updated without any manual efforts. So let's say you are having 2 to 3 calls with the same lead. Every time you have a call with that lead, it will be updating the relevant information here inside that same page. So this way it makes your CRM even more powerful. So the bigger picture is when these AI agents are placed inside your workflows, three things happen. The first one is tasks don't miss, and secondly, the CRM stays reliable and updated, and third, the founder stops updating things manually and starts focusing on what matters the most to grow their business. So these are the kind of systems and light automation I built to help founders. And now if you are curious or wondering how these AI agents can look like into your workflows, into your Notion setup, then feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn or email. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.